Hi, Teri here from Stamping Magic. Welcome back to my channel. Today's project is this pretty floral card. I've used the Birds and Branches stamp set together with Grace's Garden for my sentiment, and I've also used some of the Parisian Blossoms Designer Series paper. So let's get started. These are all the measurements you need for all the elements required to create this project. So if you are interested in reproducing it, you can take a screenshot and refer to it later. This is the Birds and Branches stamp set, and I'm using the little flower image today. And from Grace's Garden, I'm going to use this sentiment. I'm going to start by stamping my flowers using Petal Pink ink onto normal weight Whisper White card, and I need 5 of these. Then I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo black ink to stamp the sentiment. The flowers will be cut out using one of the Birds and More dies. And then I'm going to use one of the Tasteful labels dies to cut out the sentiment. I'm using one of the stitched nested label dies to cut out my banner, and this is one size down from the largest. I need to cut one from black cardstock and the other from the Parisian Blossoms Designer Series paper. The top point will be removed later on, so I don't need to worry about die cutting it. I'll need to remove this top section from each of these pieces, and I'm also going to remove all the sort of stitching lines from the Designer Series paper piece. This way I can layer it on top of the black banner and you'll see the black outline around the edges. So first of all, I'm just taking the top edges off, and then on this piece I'll also cut away the side edges and the point edges up to the stitch line. And then I can just test these to make sure the border looks as I want it to. If it doesn't, then I could trim a little more off. My card base is in basic black cardstock, and this is half a standard sheet of card scored in the middle and folded to create a portrait card. Then I have a Petal Pink mat and a mat of the Parisian Blossoms Designer Series paper, and these two are the same length as my card base, just a little narrower. For inside the card I have a Whisper White mat, then I have a strip of Petal Pink and another strip of the matching Designer Series paper. To finish off the flowers, I'm going to add one of our champagne rhinestones to the centre of each. And these match the designer series paper, which has beautiful champagne foiling running through it. And that's it, my card is now complete. And here's another look at my original card, both very pretty and very quick to produce. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye for now.